check. Check.
Hello? 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 Okay, we're going to get started. Sorry for the slight delay. We had some technical difficulties trying to get things on the live stream. So, good evening and welcome to the award celebration for the 28th ASABE International Quarter Scale Tractor Student Design Competition. My name is John Andrick. Most of you heard me earlier this week. I'm the first vice chair of the 2025 organizing committee. So I would just want to sit there and say, what an incredible competition we've just witnessed. And by that I mean the design competition. There was also the cook-off competition that was quite interesting. So congratulations to all the participants, teams, organizers, and the supporters who made this event not just a success, but a true celebration of engineering excellence. The energy, the innovation, the spirit of collaboration we've seen here are nothing short of inspiring. As we wrap up, I want to reflect on the powerful symbol that unites us as engineers, the beaver. That's right, not the flashiest animal, perhaps, certainly one of the most brilliant. Beavers are one of nature's persistent, resourceful, and purposeful, just like many of the individuals in this room. Just like us, they see challenges not as obstacles, but as opportunities to build something better. Let that be a reminder of what engineering is really about: thoughtful problem solving, resilience, and having the courage to shape the world for the future. And speaking of building for the future, I want to give a big special shout out to our new additions to our competition, ITAC, who has joined us as an X team, and the Beavers of Oregon State University. Let's give them a big round of applause. We are absolutely thrilled to have both teams join us in this growing network of engineers that believe in the power of innovation and collaboration, all while having a little bit of fun. To everyone, whether you're walking away with a trophy, a new connection, or simply a sense of pride in what you've built, know that you're part of something bigger. Competitions like this are not just about winning, they're about learning, pushing limits, and laying the foundation for tomorrow's breakthroughs. Congratulations once again. The woods are better because of you, so keep building, keep dreaming, and keep being busy beavers. So I also want to give a big shout out to all the incredible individuals who've been working behind the scenes all year to make this competition happen. The organizing committee puts in a ton of time and energy, often outside of their regular jobs, just to keep things running smoothly, build on past wins, and make experiences as rewarding as possible for all the students. At this time, I'd like to recognize the individuals who have worked hard throughout the past year to make this competition a success. The chair of the 2025 organizing committee is Michael Holland. Michael, would you please stand? The co-chair of this year's event is Josh Medeiros. Josh. Please stay standing. Michael and Josh have done a great job of leading this year's competition. Please remain standing as I introduce the committee officers. Officers, please stand as I call your name. Audience, please hold your applause until all members have been introduced. The remaining officers of the committee are the second vice chair, Jonah Bolin, the treasurer, Jacob Schwint, the secretary, Spencer Rosar, the rules chair, Kent Thorson, the promotions chair, Nicholas Sandine, and the past chair, Robert Marker. The competition is made possible by the contributions of great committee members. Would all the other committee members please also stand to be recognized? I'd also like to thank our on-site volunteers that help make the competition run smoothly. Would those volunteers please stand to be recognized? Now, let's offer them all a well-deserved round of applause for their efforts. And last, certainly but not least, let's give all the students, advisors, and guests a round of applause. Without your efforts, support, and participation, there would be no competition. So I would like to now invite the 2009 Quarter Scale Committee Chair, Gary Seibel, to the stage to lead us in the invocation.
If you choose to, please assume a position of reflection. Let us pray silently together, each one of us according to our individual beliefs. Let us offer thanks for our food and the blessings of fellowship around us. Help us to be a source of hope for those in need in both our personal and professional lives. Let us give gratitude for the opportunity we have had this week to acquire and develop new knowledge, skills, and friendships. We ask that each of us returns home safely so that we can continue to be of service to our families, schools, employers, and neighbors. Thank you. John, you coming back? That's all right. They can stay there. So just please stay seated at your table until a member of the staff directs you to the buffet. Enjoy your meal.
Hello, everyone. Hello. I hope your meal went well. How was the meal for everyone? Everyone have a good time? Okay, good. So now I'd like to get the show on the road, and to do that, we're going to bring up someone that's a little bit more experienced than I am. So I'd like to now introduce our MC for this evening, Ashley Johnson. Walk slowly, Ashley. I got to tell them about you first. Ashley is a staff engineer for advanced engineering at John Deere's Waterloo Project Engineering Center, where she is responsible for research and development across corn and soybean production systems. Prior to that, she was involved in engineering around balers, tractors, and air seeding equipment for Deere. She holds a BS and MS degrees in engineering from Purdue University, where she was a quarter-scale team member from 2009 to 2012. She also holds an MBA from the other Indiana university, Indiana. And Ashley currently lives in the Waterloo area with her two dogs, Smokey and Bear. Let's welcome Ashley to the stage.
Thanks, John. I'm not sure how I'm more experienced than you, though. I think I gotta tip this down so far it's gonna fall over. Okay. Thank you for inviting me to be your MC. Kent's done this for the last couple of years, and he told me that you guys were like sliding into his DMs, saying weird things. He doesn't want to do it. So if you're unsatisfied with the quality of the replacement, you gotta talk to him. I would like to extend my thanks to the organizing committee. Another job well done. I think this year was the closest to being on schedule that I can remember. That is not easy. As a former quarter scaler, I've seen firsthand all of the effort, progress, and innovation applied to this competition. So let's give another round of applause to the organizing committee. At this time, I would like to welcome the new ASABE Executive Director, Cedric Calhoun, to the stage to bring us greetings from headquarters. The floor is yours.
Thank you. Can you hear me in the back? I'll be here all night. Yeah. All right. As she said, my name is Cedric Calhoun, new executive director, ASABE, native of North Carolina. And you may not believe this, but this is in fact my first quarter scale event. You're supposed to laugh at that one because it's. So what I'll say is this: with it being my first quarter scale, I had no real idea what to expect. I went through pit row. I found out that there's a lot of people in this room a heck of a lot smarter than I am, mechanically inclined, and so with that, I am beyond impressed with what you can do, what you have done, and frankly, what you will do in your careers. One quote that you've probably already heard, it's Thomas Edison. I'm going to quote it. Does anybody know which one I'm going to say? Nobody. I appreciate that, thank you. I appreciate your honesty. So Thomas Edison said this, I have not failed, I just found 10,000 ways that won't work, right? So, I saw a lot of you in pit row, I saw a lot of your attempts, and you kept working. And that was probably the most impressive thing that I saw in the couple of days that I was here, is you did not stop, you're dedicated, lights are going down. This is going to be a party. So, needless to say, I do like to have fun. So just know that. But what I will say, and I don't want to take too long because I know you guys want to get to your awards, but I need you to hear me when I say this to you. You guys are, and gals and women, no gals here. Women here are the next generation. And again, I truly appreciate what you do, because at the end of the day, if you don't do what you do, someone doesn't eat, someone doesn't have clean water, someone doesn't have sustainable energy, someone doesn't have clothes on their back. And so what you do, you truly have to understand your value and importance, not only to ASABE, not only to your schools, not only to your families, but to humanity, right? And so what I want to do is for each and every one of you, not one at a time, to give yourselves a round of applause for what you've taken on, what you're committed to doing, and what you plan to do in the future. And as I close, I have two questions for you. My father, a North Carolina Methodist minister, so the first question is going to be, if not you, who? And if not now, when? Right? So truly think about that day to day when you're working on your craft, when you're in class, when you're looking for your next job. Think about the impact that you're going to have on the world, because you absolutely will if you believe it. The second question is, and the final one, is how will and how does ASABE continue to engage you in this organization for the future? Because we will be tapping you, we will be asking for your input, and as the new guy of 31 days, your input is going to be invaluable to how we shape this organization moving forward. So, thank you for your time, and thank you for what you do.
Thank you, Cedric, and welcome to ASABE and Quarter Scale. Seems like you'll fit in well with this crew. Next, it is my pleasure to welcome Travis Tsunemori, our keynote speaker. Travis is the Product Compliance Manager for Kubota North America. His team ensures that Kubota products sold and manufactured in North America are suitable for sale in various markets. Prior to joining Kubota, he worked for ASABE, Phoenix International, and Oklahoma State University, where he also earned his BS and MS degrees in Biosystems Engineering. He currently lives in north of Denton, Texas, with his dog, Morgan.
Oh boy, it's the safety guy from Kubota. It's going to be boring. Doesn't count, only one. No, I'm not here to talk about that tonight. I put on my Kubota hat, the ones we ran out of on Friday, so thanks to everybody for picking those up. But put on my Kubota hat for a little bit as a sponsor. We're here not just to go look at students and decide if we want to hire you, the other sponsors, all the other sponsors that are here and make this competition possible. we're not here just for that. And we're not here just because, we don't sponsor just because we know that you as competitors here are getting a better experience and going to become good employees for the industry. Those are reasons why, but that's not the only reason why. The other reason why we sponsor is because we want you to learn, and I want you to think about when you went through judging and presentation judging and all that, the comments that the judges were giving you and the criticisms that you received, and those are all meant to help you learn. So I really hope that you take it in that spirit, that it's intended to help you learn and become better, not just employees in the future, but individuals. So I hope you took that in the right spirit. But I wanted to ask, also thank, I know John already did this, but I want to recognize the two new teams, OSU West, and welcome to IQS, and ITAC, Bienvenue chez IQS. And sorry if my French is terrible, but welcome. And all the other first-time attendees, including Cedric, thank you for coming, and I hope you get a lot about this, and I hope you come back so soon. I'll take off my Kubota hat now, and I'll put on my ASABE hat. It's a privilege and an honor to, over the next 3 years, serve as president-elect, president, and past president of ASABE. So I'm looking forward to that. With Cedric coming on as our new executive director and some other changes, and I'm sitting on the board right now too. I can assure you that the board is excited about the changes that we can make. A couple years ago, was it, Maury? We had the meeting, the annual meeting in Omaha. At the foundation dinner, the keynote speaker talked about generational differences, and I'm not here to talk about that specifically, but I want to address it a little bit. Generational differences are something that we as an organization have to, and Zita, what's the word? Adapt. Is Zita here? I know Michael's here. She brought up adaptability on Friday, right? So we as an organization have to adapt to the needs of our future generations, and we want to, and we're willing to, and I can assure you that the board and the leadership and Cedric are all on board. We are ready to adapt. We are already exploring different ways, what the metrics of the society are for success, what the things we need to do to ensure that success, and also, and it's not just for the organization, it's for you, the future members, the future people who are going to be engaged in ASABE and activities and things that are important to us as an organization. We want to do that. We're ready to do that. We're already taking steps to do that. So that's probably the biggest thing I want to assure you that we're doing. We talked a little bit about adaptability, and that's what I'm saying is the organization is going to adapt. We're going to try new things. We may shuffle where things are and how things are done and timing of events in order to provide the best thing that we can for you as our future members and our future leaders in the organization. I'd be remiss if I didn't acknowledge Maury Sauls, who was last year's keynote speaker. He's the current ASABE Foundation president. I know you heard Liz talk on Friday night too, that there's lots of ways to give to ASABE and the foundation. It's not just money. Maury, I left my wallet on the table, but I'm keeping an eye on you, so please don't take it for the foundation. There's not much in there either, so. Just took the cards, the credit cards. Okay, make sure you take the one that says Kubota on it, right? So anyway, but that's other things that can happen. So I encourage you, and I think maybe the committee is definitely behind this. When you leave Quarter Scale, when you leave your university, come volunteer to be on the committee. It's a huge thing. I'll close with this. I'm going to apologize actually for even being up here. I wasn't supposed to be the keynote speaker. It's kind of a last-minute thing. I had suggested one from our company, and he would have been amazing. So I apologize you had to sit here and listen to me. But I'll close with a little bit of a story. And I know a few of you probably heard this if you're at the Southeast Student Rally, but 1997, my dad passed away. I had just started grad school, and, or sorry, it was 1998. My dad had just passed away, and I had gotten a job offer to go do something, you know, completely unrelated to agriculture. And I was thinking about it because I was kind of, you know, depressed, whatever, all that stuff. And my involvement in ASABE, the ASABE Student Club at Oklahoma State, and in particular in quarter scale, is what kept me in. I powered through it, I finished my degree, and I've never looked back from that. And that is why I went to ASABE to work for 15 years, and I stayed there. It's why I've stayed involved in quarter scale in some fashion over the years. And when Jonah asked me if I would be willing to step in and do the keynote speaker, I did it because this competition means so much to me. So thank you, and sorry about that. Just hit me, but thank you so much.
Thank you, Travis. We certainly appreciate you being with us tonight. I would definitely like to echo his comments for any graduating seniors. We love help. Many hands makes light work. I promise, it's fun. We have fun here, and we have fun throughout the year. And now I'd like to invite Josh Medeiros to the stage to assist in making presentations to our honorees. So we're going to start out by acknowledging the generosities of our sponsors. Without their support, this competition would not be possible. And I would like to thank them for their commitment to the competition and for creating valuable educational opportunities for our students. We will start with our titanium sponsors who have contributions valued at more than $20,000. That's 20 G's, guys. Please hold your applause until all of our titanium sponsors have been recognized. First, CNH. Jaden Brown will accept the plaque on behalf of CNH. Deere & Company. Derek Shadler will accept the plaque for Deere & Company. Kubota. Travis Sunamori will accept a Kubota's plaque. Kloss Foundation. Kevin Wilkening will accept the Kloss Foundation plaque. Kawasaki Engines. Our representative could not be here this evening. We will mail them their plaque. Let's have a big round of applause for our titanium sponsors. Now, our platinum sponsors. Platinum sponsors provide cash or in-kind support valued between $10,000 and $19,999. Danfoss. Colin Kyle will accept the plaque on behalf of Danfoss. Titan International. Justin Wilwarding will accept the plaque on behalf of Titan International. SolidWorks. Our representative could not be here this evening. We will mail them their plaque. Last but not least, we would like to thank ASABE. Without the Society's strong support and dedicated work of the headquarters staff, this event would not be possible. Please let us give a round of applause to the Platinum sponsors. And now, on to our gold sponsors, who have made a contribution valued between $6,500 and $10,000. Catalytic Combustion. A representative could not be here this evening. We will send them their plaque. And now our silver sponsors, who have made contributions valued between $3,500 and $6,500. Vermeer Corporation. Jacob Schwint will accept their plaque. AGCO Corporation, Heston. Peyton Frank will accept AGCO's plaque. GSI, a representative could not be here this evening. We will send them their plaque. Linick, a representative could not be here this evening. We will send them their plaque. MacDon, a representative could not be here this evening. We will send them their plaque, as with Thompson and SpaceX. What did I miss, guys? Oh. That would be neat. I bet he'd party with Cedric. Crone, Josh Medeiros will accept their plaque. Let's have a round of applause for our silver sponsors. Now our bronze level sponsors who have provided between $1,500 and $3,500 worth of support. Medeiros Machine and Manufacturing, Miller Electric, Aegis, Condex, Precision Planting, Scale Tech, Matex Products, and DeweySoft. Let's have a round of applause for our bronze sponsors. Finally, we'd like to thank our site sponsors, whose contributions value up to $1,500. AC McCartney Farm Equipment, Blunier Equipment, Caterpillar, Electrics Inc., Harvest Master, Heritage Tractor, S.J. Smith Company, Star Equipment, and finally, Wall Scale. Let's give them a round of applause. Each of our sponsors is tremendously important to the continued success of this event. I'm sure many of you have interacted with many of them, and if you do so in the future, please, please, please tell them thank you and that you would like them to continue sponsoring. And now, on to the fun stuff, the awards. We'll start out with team certificates. As I call your school name, will a representative from your team please come to the stage and receive your team certificates of participation. California Polytechnic University. We can save applause. I'll go quick here. Iowa State University. ITAC. Kansas State University. McGill. North Carolina State University. North Dakota State University. Oklahoma State University. Oregon State University. Pennsylvania State University. Purdue University. South Dakota State University, University of Georgia, University of Guelph, University of Illinois, University of Kentucky, University of Manitoba, University of Missouri, University of Nebraska, University of Saskatchewan, University of Tennessee Martin, University of Wisconsin-Madison, University of Wisconsin-Platteville. So I heard that the Penn State team was doing some work on golf carts. Does anybody, if anyone needs some work on golf carts, call those guys. Where are they? Back there. Find them. Maybe you need some wheels changed out, some fuses worked on, whatever you need. They'll get her done for you. In 1999, I'll wait another more minute. Okay, I'll tell one more joke. This one came from Clay. He's an old UT Martin guy. You guys maybe know him. What do you call a fly with no legs? A walk. Come on. Jesus. All right. Are we ready? In 1999, the organizing committee established the Chairman's Award to recognize a volunteer who has gone above and beyond to ensure the success of the competition. The recipient is chosen by the chair and the co-chair of the committee. I would like to invite Michael Holland to the podium to tell us about this year's recipient.
Good evening. It is my pleasure to deliver the 2025 Chairman's Award. Many people in this room have likely benefited from this individual's efforts over the last couple of years, and I'm willing to bet that a greater number than those in this room, those that are not in this room, have also benefited. I am happy to announce that Nick Sandine is this year's Chairman's Award recipient. Let me tell you why. Nick has led an extraordinary effort to provide streaming coverage of the competition. Last year we had a preview of what streaming could look like. This year Nick came to the committee with a vision, and along with that vision came with a request of resources. When we asked him about what he needed, Nick always gave a great answer, a thoughtful answer of what we requested. So we had a plan. And with that plan, that vision came a request of the resources. And with those resources, help from others, significant effort over last year and the last few days, Nick delivered. Nick has often been his own harshest critic, and it is clear to me that he had a passion to provide an excellent product. So when you see Nick, let him know your appreciation. Nick, please be recognized.
I agree with Michael. The work that Nick's done has been way out of my league, way more than I expected, and I look forward to more. I'm sure lots of you appreciated it. I'm sure the UT Martin moms appreciated it. And yeah. So we'll get on with that. Is Josh still on the stage? I thought he was on the stage. Oh, okay. We'll begin tonight with X-Team Awards. The X-Team competition allows underclassmen a chance to get acquainted with the process without the stress of going through a full development program. This year, 10 teams modified their school's 2024 tractors, actually in one case a 2014 tractor, in order to compete against one another in a written design report oral team presentation, and a tractor pull. Here are the category winners of the X Team competition. We want them to send up a representative, right? Please send up a team representative to accept your plaque. X Team Written Design Report, Iowa State University. X Team Oral Presentation, South Dakota State University. X Team Poll, University of Kentucky. And now for our X Team overall winners. Third place, University of Missouri. Second place, South Dakota State University. And in first place, the winner is University of Kentucky. It's coming from a long way. Congratulations to the top X teams. We look forward to seeing you next year to compete in the A-team competition, but don't expect us to be as nice during tech inspections. Now, on to the A-team competition awards. The next 4 awards are competition specialty awards that have no point value, but represent qualities and values that form the heart of this competition. We'll start out with the Best Appearance Award. It is for the tractor that has the most impressive aesthetic and design appeal. This year's winner is fresh out of the 1980s. The University of Wisconsin-Madison. The Jim and Darcy Schmidt Award for Family Team, let me start that one over. The Jim and Darcy Schmidt Family Teamwork Award recognizes a team that displayed an extraordinary level of organization, with each team member actively participating and contributing their unique talents to the team effort. The team must also have demonstrated the ability to work well under pressure, and I can say I saw some of the organization happening. Oregon State University. It's their first award, guys. The Sportsmanship Award goes to the team that exhibits a continually positive attitude and is willing to look beyond its own needs to assist other teams. The Sportsmanship Award goes to the University of Guelph. The Craftsmanship Award is presented to the team whose tractor displayed the highest level of production quality. Now, I'm not sure if this is a nod to some of the software issues we have in industry, but this year's winner is Iowa State University. And now for the scored components. The Manufacturability Award is given to the team that has demonstrated the highest ease of manufacturing. The winner will receive a $200 check. The winner this year for manufacturability is North Carolina State University. The Serviceability Award is given to the school that demonstrates the most comprehensive design for maintenance of the tractor. I really wish we could have seen more of it. The winner is Iowa State University. The Test and Development Award goes to the team that has utilized the most comprehensive testing and their development program in the production of their tractor. The winner will receive a $200 check. This year's winner is Kansas State University. Our next two awards specifically target concern for the customers and operators. The Safety Award recognizes the design for which demonstrates superior concern for user safety. The winners will receive a $200 check. I feel like we should be playing the safety dance for the University of Wisconsin-Madison. The Ergonomics Award is given to the tractor that demonstrates the most attention to operator comfort, control positioning, and operating canopy to improve operator efficiency and reduce operator fatigue. The winner will receive a $200 check, and the winner is University of Nebraska. The Innovation Award is selected by design judges and committee members and is presented to the team that has incorporated the most unique aspect to their design. The Innovation Award winner is Iowa State University for their hinged operator station. Defensive design is presented to the team that has demonstrated the greatest ability to justify and defend the design decisions that they have made throughout the development process. The winner will receive a $200 check, and the winner is, it's a tie. Both winners will be receiving a plaque and a $200 check. The winners are North Carolina State and Oklahoma State University. Team presentation winners have been the most effective in promoting their design and have demonstrated the most professional project development program. The team presentation takes into account the entire process of the development, from the planning stages through the design, testing, production, and marketing. We're going to start with third place, Oklahoma State University. Second place, University of Nebraska. And the 2024 team presentation winner is South Dakota State University. The following teams are the written design report winners. The written design report judging takes into consideration areas such as design analysis, cost effectiveness, testing, and planning. Third place is Iowa State University. Second place is University of Illinois. And the 2025 Written Design Report winner is South Dakota State University. And now, on to the performance awards. The following awards are for the winners of the individual hooks and the tractor pulls. The first hook tractor pull winner is University of Kentucky. The second hook tractor pull winner is University of Kentucky. And you probably won't believe this, but the third hook tractor pull winner is the University of Kentucky. I feel like we need another joke. What do you call a seagull that flies over the bay? A bagel. I see you, girl. Is the Kentucky team tired yet? The Maneuverability Award. It's one thing to design a powerful, rugged vehicle, but quite another to make that machine nimble and easy to handle, and easy to drive. This award recognizes the team that was most successful at combining those two requirements. This year's Maneuverability Award goes to the University of Wisconsin-Madison. The durability event encourages teams to focus on machine reliability and performance in the non-traditional environments. This year's winner managed to overcome the bump monster, and the winner is North Carolina State University. It's not you. Oh. I was like, Amanda assured me this was all accurate. Except I think I said 2024 once. Did I do that? Thank you. I caught it the second time. You guys have a selfie you want us to put up there? All right. The following are the overall point winners for the tractor performance portion of the competition, which encompasses maneuverability, durability, and the tractor pulls. These teams have shown validated designs with consistent and standout performance. Third place, Kansas State University. Second place, University of Kentucky. In the 2025 Tractor Performance Event winner, we will see if we have the right picture for North Carolina State University. Didn't even have a picture. Our next award is the Most Improved Award, given to a team that has made the most improvement over their previous year's performance. And the winner is, it's another tie. University of Georgia, and the University of Guelph. I will say it was awesome getting both of these teams through tech inspection, even if it was rather late Friday night, I think. Saturday. See, I needed more sleep. The following teams are the overall point champions. These teams have demonstrated outstanding performance across all areas of the competition through extraordinary efforts of the students, have taken good designs and transformed them into winners. Now, I can say that this is really hard. You guys should all be really proud of yourself. In 5th place, the winner will receive a plaque and $500 in prize money, and the winner is Purdue University. I think that's the first time they've gotten an award today. That must mean you were close every other time. 4th place. The winner will receive a plaque and $700 in prize money. The winner is University of Kentucky. Guess what, guys? We have another tie. I thought my pages were messed up because it went from 4 to 2, but it's not. It's a tie. The 2nd place winner, which will be both teams, receives a plaque and $1,200 in prize money. The fact that there's a tie at this stage, it means every point counts. So, turn your reports in on time, show up on time, be nice to judges, that sort of thing. These schools will receive a plaque and $1,200. I said that already. All right. Kansas State University and South Dakota State University. You guys ready? Yeah. Overall competition champion. Our 2025 competition winner will return home with the Wayner Dietra Traveling Trophy, a plaque, and a check for $1,500. Your 2025 International Quarter Scale Tractor Student Design Competition champion is... Commercial break. Do we have that on live streams? North Carolina State University. That one's for you, Cedric. That one's for you. Congratulations to this year's winners and to all of those who participated in this competition. And remember, if you want to be a committee member, we will take you. No matter the outcome, the real win is everything you've learned along the way, and that is going to pay off in the long run. I wish you the best of luck, whether it is in the next year's competition or in the next step of your career or when you're on the committee. Thank you once again to our sponsors and organizers for your invaluable contributions that have made this week's event possible. And one bit of housekeeping. The preliminary scores will be available at the QR code on the screen within the next hour. Your poll data and design report judging comments will be shared back to you via the Google Drive to the email that's shared your report with us. Yes. I'm going to say that again because that's always a point of confusion. Whatever email shared your reports to asabiqs@gmail.com is going to get your poll data. And then remember that there will be a rap session tomorrow morning. Maybe UW-Madison will pull some MC Hammer out or something. At 8 a.m. in the Grandview Room. Please plan to attend. We'd love to hear your feedback, whether it's positive or negative, but hopefully there's some positives so we can make competition better. Good night, and we hope to see you again next year.